If you want to generate this type of video from images, then you are absolutely on a right video. Subscribe Zohybe AI and click on bell icon for more informative AI-related content. So let's start.
Saving the future, $1 at a time. With Zohybe AI, we're gonna be just fine.
First of all, open. Any browser, go on search bar and search for Leorando.ai and open the first site. Click on this Create an Account button and make account on it. And after creating account, you will redirect on this page. Now we will generate an AI image and then give motion to image by the help of AI. Now in this text area, give this prompt which is available in description. And then click on this Generate button and it will take few seconds to generate image. Here is the output. Now click on this motion button to give motion to this image. It will take some minutes. And here is the output. You can download this in your PC and use this for your TikTok or YouTube Shorts video. So this is the video. Hope this video is helpful for you.
Saving the